Thank you for purchasing Real Leather's leather bag kit. Included in this kit are two sides of the bag, thread and needle, leather lace, and the bag closure. There is a rough side and a finished side to each half of the bag. You will notice on inspection that one side is smooth and unblemished, and one side has some grain imperfections. This bag is sewn inside out, so orient the rough sides out or up. Starting from the second hole, start sewing the pieces together with a running stitch. Leave a few inches of thread. We will use this to tie off at the end. A running stitch is simple. Just run the needle through each hole all the way around the pre-punched holes. As you perform the running stitch, you should notice a gap in between the stitches. Don't worry, we'll fill these in when we come back around. As you work your way around the bag, pull the thread tight, but not so tight that the leather bunches up. Once you have reached the last hole on the opposite side from where you started, double up the last stitch for a little extra strength on this stress point. Now finish the running stitch, and you will notice that all the gaps are filled in. Continue stitching until you reach the last hole past the start. Double this stitch as well. Tie the threads in a knot and trim. The next step is to turn the bag right side out. Make sure to push the sewn edge out. Using the enclosed leather lace, start on the outside first hole and thread it alternating in and out of the holes around the bag. Trim the ends to the desired length. To finish this kit up, all you need to do is insert the lace through both sides of the leather closure tab. Put a stopper knot on the end. That's all there is to it. Thanks for purchasing our leather bag kit.